Hey everyone, it's Austin Solomon, the Solomon Group at Coldwell Banker Action. I hope all is going well. It is Easter week this week, which is really exciting. Happy Easter. Just wanted to give you guys a quick market update on what's happening in Marathon County right now as we are in the full swing of spring. Right now there's 194 properties, I should say single family homes that are on the market in Marathon County. Of those, 136 have accepted offers on them. That's just over 70% of the homes on the market have accepted offers. That means the seller has accepted an offer. So a buyer has made an offer on a property, the seller has accepted it, and they're working towards the closing. That leaves just under 30% of the homes that are on the market right now would be available for a buyer who's looking to purchase. So not a lot of homes on the market. Statistically, a few years ago, we would consistently see 400 to 500 homes on the market at any one point in Marathon County. Right now, the last few years, it's been more in that 150 to probably 300 on the high end. So right now, it's a very low market, low inventory market. So there's not a lot of options for buyers. Let's go break this down a little bit into price point. So homes priced between under 200,000, there's 42 homes, 34 of those have accepted offers. So again, just 8 homes available if you're looking in Marathon County that are under 200, so not a whole lot. I'll include like in the notes, maybe some of these other categories just for just for keeping the video brief. But one of the other highlights I just want to show you guys is that homes over 600,000 in Marathon County, there's 17 of them, 12 have accepted offers on them. In Wausau proper, I was looking at this. This is probably the first time in my career where there's probably like 12 homes on the market in like kind of Wausau proper and over 650, and all of them have accepted offers on them. I can't remember a time where that's been the case. Not exactly sure why that is, but for homes that statistically have taken a little bit longer to sell and maybe have sat on the market a little bit longer, we've seen those homes have been getting accepted offers well, even at the higher price points. So not exactly sure what that means, but that's pretty encouraging, especially when you have a couple homes that are for sale that are up there. Here's kind of some general trends that I've been seeing. Overall, the market has been categorized by low inventory and lots of buyers that have been getting into the market. So this is very similar to what we've seen in years past. Prices have continued to kind of jump up, where the market maybe took a little bit of a dip in the fall and the winter. Now we're kind of right back up to those normal spring, high prices. Again, market has continually gone up in price. So 2 years ago, if a house was priced at 200, maybe now that same house would probably be like 230. This is just kind of a general, 230, 240. This is kind of just some general numbers. A house that last year was 150 might be 160, 165. So maybe a little bit of a jump in pricing again this year. Again, probably depends on the property and some of the specifics, but in general, seeing some homes, go up in value as well. Interest rates have been kind of hovering between 6.5 on the low end is from what I've seen, to probably 7.5, maybe like a 7 would be what I've seen as far as the averages. And it seems like an interest rate that maybe isn't as attractive to buyers as years past, but it's probably good enough for buyers to partake in the market and hopefully refinance to a lower rate when rates, come back down. So that's a little bit about the market right now. As a seller, it's definitely a good time to sell as prices have been good and there's high competition for homes that are priced well. As a buyer, it's a little bit more challenging to purchase a home right now. Again, similar to how it's been in the past. Expect to be competing with other offers and having to pay an appropriate price for the house, or there are still opportunities for buyers to get into good homes. And obviously it's really important now, probably more than ever, to have an agent that's on your side who's working really hard for you on the buyer space if you're actively looking. So this is just a little bit of insights about the market. If you guys have any further questions, feel free to reach out, and I hope all is well. Thanks so much.